3 ways to build with Claude Code. One burns 12 times more tokens than the others, and somehow the results are almost identical. GSD, Superpowers, and vanilla Claude Code all run the same underlying model. So why do they behave so differently? And more importantly, which one should you actually be using? All 3 sit on top of Claude. The difference is what each framework adds on top: state management, process discipline, or nothing. That's the whole split. Think of vanilla Claude Code as a skilled contractor you just hired. No checklist, no project manager, no safety net. Brilliant but disorganized. You better know what you're asking for. GSD, get stuff done. GSD's architecture is built around one idea: context rot kills AI quality. So it kills context rot first. Each task gets a fresh 200,000 token window. No accumulated garbage from previous turns. GSD keeps project state in Markdown. Project MD holds the vision. Requirements MD tracks scoped features. Roadmap MD shows phase completion. And State MD carries cross-session memory, decisions blockers where things left off. Beat each new phase writes its own research and plan files. Beat, that's a lot of files, and a lot of tokens. Planning phase alone, 600,000 tokens. That's for planning, just the planning. To be clear, that's 12 times more than vanilla Claude Code's planning phase. So that's fun. Total task token usage tells the full story. Vanilla Claude Code, 200,000 tokens in 20 minutes. Superpowers, 250,000 in 60 minutes. GSD, 1.2 million tokens in 105 minutes. The framework you pick decides how much you spend. Here's the thing: GSD v2 is now a TypeScript CLI that controls the agent harness at code level. It tracks token cost, manages Git branches, detects stuck loops, and recovers from crashes automatically. That's not framework overhead. That's autonomous software engineering. Superpowers, the framework that deletes your code. Superpowers runs 7 mandatory phases. Brainstorm refines the idea through questions. Spec locks the design. Plan breaks work into 2 to 5 minute atomic tasks with exact file paths. Beat subagent development dispatches fresh agents per task with 2-stage review. Spec compliance first, code quality second. Beat then TDD, review, and finalization with a clean test suite. I've been watching this framework evolve since Jesse Vincent published it. The Iron Law: write a failing test first. Watch it fail, write the minimum code to make it pass. Watch it pass, then commit. If Claude writes production code before a test exists, Superpowers deletes it. Not a warning, just gone. Git work trees are where Superpowers separates from the pack. Before a single line of implementation, it spins up an isolated workspace on a new branch with a verified clean test suite. Every task runs in isolation. Changes don't step on each other. Superpowers one-shotted the task on first attempt. GSD and vanilla Claude Code both needed iteration, and Superpowers did it with only 250,000 tokens total. That's the payoff for the process overhead. And this is where it clicks. Output quality across all 3 was comparable for simpler projects. The number that counts isn't the token total. It's whether the framework matched the complexity of the work. Mismatched framework plus simple project equals wasted tokens. Mismatched framework plus complex project equals failed build. So here's the actual decision. Vanilla Claude Code is the right call when your project is well understood and your prompt engineering is solid. Superpowers is the right call when you need first attempt reliability and clean test coverage. GSD is the right call when you're running long autonomous sessions on ambiguous requirements where you can't babysit every decision. The question was never which is best. It was which one matches your project. Spend 12 times the tokens on a 2-hour task, and you've just paid for a framework you didn't need. Quick recap: GSD, Markdown state, parallel agents, token heavy, best for long autonomous runs. Superpowers, 7 phases, TDD enforced, one-shot reliability, Git work trees. Vanilla Claude Code, No guardrails, lowest cost, requires the most from you. If you want to go deeper on how GSD actually manages context at scale, that's next. I put one of these out every week, so subscribe and it'll be waiting. Links in the description if you want to try any of these frameworks today.